Hampton,
VA,
Hampton,
VA,
Hampton,
VA,
Hampton,
VA,
Hampton,
VA,
Hampton,
VA,
Hampton.
VA. 1998, Kaheem birth card was made, then it was off the pre-K, next first grade. Now what can I say? All we did was play all day. Now it's second grade, and my grades won't straight. But they just hit me with the no outside today. But that's okay, because it's time to work on Big K. Now by third grade, I was aiming to be the king of Hampton, VA, and carry it on my back all the way to the top. But the question is, will he ever let him drop? Not before my coffin drop. Now fourth grade, got a kid pop for trying to test my lunchbox. I didn't know how to box, so I swung and I won. So the job is done, plus fifth grade just begun. But now it's Hampton, VA, son.
Hampton,
VA,
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 Hampton.
VA.
Let me tell you about my city, home of the hustlers when niggas get gritty. Put on their skin and let out like 50. When it comes to the dough, niggas don't show pity. So don't act silly when you come to the block. Act like a fed, you bound to get popped. Another day, another dollar, another nigga get shot. Police be gunning, so I don't trust cops. Yeah, it's grimy, but I still love my city. When I'm shining, it remind me who really taught me about grinding. Watching homies on the streets, and even though some is deceased, I know they resting in peace. So I'ma hold it down every breath that I breathe. And these females, they know me well, they know he sell, and I know the game. If I get locked, they wouldn't give me bail, so I give them hell, and I watch my back. If a nigga wanted my info, I know she'd tell, but it ain't all bad. I love my city, by the way, and if you ask me where I stay, I say Hampton, V. Hey,
Hampton,
VA,
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 Hampton.
VA.
Wavy team, we strike like lightning, but we that rare beat that strike twice, man. What if advice, no biting, or you get punched out like Lil Mac versus Tyson? The flow be enticing, I guess I'm just that nice, man, but who we kidding? I like a clown smile to a frown, but I keep my head up, cause any day a nigga could be biting the dust. But not before my city dripping off the tip of your tongue like you're drooling, so stop acting foolish, better yet stupid, acting like you don't know who these dudes is. Hampton, VA, wavy team vandals, they a pain in this game like glass poking through your sandals, shocking you with they raps like riding a roller coaster with no handlebars, but they holding bars in they membrane. Spit it up and tracks get slain, going insane like Michael Myers when he first picked up the knife, picked up the pen, and now I'm taking over everything in sight. Feel my city, what's up? Hampton, Hampton,
VA,
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 Hampton.
VA. It's Big K, Siggy, you already God.